my dear students. Good morning, everyone. In the last video, we discussed about past continuous tense. Today, we are going to discuss about past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, the tense which tells about any action or any activity which was completed in the past. Okay, in past in some past in sometimes in past means listen, there is a difference between simple past as well as past perfect. Simple past, simple past, simple past tense as well as past perfect tense. There is a difference. See here, what does simple past tense mean? It means that any action which is completed in the past. Okay. So past perfect here. This is also any action which was completed in the past. Okay. So ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಮುಗಿದಂತಹ ಎರಡು ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the difference between, why do we use these two tenses, simple past as well as past perfect, to express any activity which was completed in the past? Okay, see here, there is a difference between simple past as well as past perfect. Simple past, I went to market, ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. Simple past. Then this is past perfect. Past perfect, it tells about that. See, listen. Simple past, I went to market. Simple past, I went to market. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. Then past perfect, ಇದರ ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು? Simple past, I went to market. Past perfect, but vegetables had sold out today. Simple past. I went to railway station. I went to railway station. ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, I went to railway station. Past perfect, but the train had left the station. Had. Okay, wherever we get an helping that is a helping word, had, so it is called past perfect tense. So let me discuss about the formula of past perfect tense. Nodi, I think we have already discussed about present perfect tense. ಈ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಗಿದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾಳೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Subject plus helping verb is had plus subject plus had plus then verb 3 plus object. Very simple. Okay, subject, helping verb is had. Okay, helping verb had, then verb 3 plus object. I think you know very well what is a verb 3. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Sleep, slept, slept. Okay, that the third form is, that is verb 3. We have to use it in present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. This verb 3 is used in all the three perfect tense. Verb 3, that is past, past participle, that is verb 3. Here subject. Okay, in the place of subject we can use I, we, you, he, she, And you can also use here name of the person, Rama, okay, Kiran, Priya. You can use name of the person, place, things, and you can use these pronouns. But there is only one helping verb. Try to remember that, my dear students. There is only one helping verb, that is had. Had is used in past perfect tense. Okay? Had. I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had, and they had. Then verb 3. I had purchased. I had purchased a new car. I had purchased a new car. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾರ್. Then we had purchased a new car. You had purchased a new car. He had purchased. There is no changes in helping verbs. Okay. There is only one helping verb, that is had. Try to remember, my dear student. There is only one helping verb, that is had in past perfect tense. ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂತಕಾಲ. ಈ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು helping verb, that is had ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. I had, we had, you had, he had purchased a new car. She had purchased a new car. It had purchased a new car, and they had purchased a new car. Then Rama, Kiran, then Priya. Okay, Rama. There is only one helping verb, that is had. This is a positive sentence. Positive sentence in past perfect tense. Positive sentence. So let us, we are going to discuss about negative sentence. Negative. ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಷೇಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, see, I had purchased a new car. Then negative is very simple. Okay, subject plus had plus helping verb plus verb 3 object. Here what we have to do is use not not after helping verb. What is helping verb? Had here. Okay, helping verb. I had purchased a new car. See, I had purchased a new car. Use not ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ? That is negative sentence. I had not purchased. I had not purchased a new car. See, this is negative sentence. NS. I have written shortly. In short form, I have written negative sentence. I had not purchased a new car. Okay, so this is negative sentence. I had not purchased a new car. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I had not purchased a new car. Then here, if you want to make it as an interrogative sentence, ಇದನ್ನ interrogative sentence ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, okay, here interrogative sentence ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you just replace helping verb into subject, okay, and subject into helping verb. You just replace helping verb into subject and subject into helping verb. See, had. Interrogative means प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. Had I purchased had I purchased a new car. Had I purchased a new car? Nodi. Then last one is question mark. Then only it will consider as interrogative sentence. ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Had I purchased a new car? Yes. Then negative plus interrogative sentence. Negative. See, positive is I had purchased a new car. Then I had not purchased a new car. Interrogative is had I purchased a new car. Then interrogative plus negative. Had after subject use not. Not. Had I not purchased a new car? Had I not purchased a new car? ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ? ಓಕೆ. Had I not purchased a new car? ಯಾವಾಗ? ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. In the past, not in the present, not in future. Okay. Had I not purchased a new car in the past? I had purchased a new car. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಖರೀದಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. I had purchased. I had not purchased a new car. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಖರೀದಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ? In the past. Then had I purchased a new car? ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Had I not purchased a new car? ಖರೀದಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲವೇ? Okay. Had I not purchased a new car? Then WH question. Okay. WH question. See, what is a WH question? You know very well. WH question, a question which begins with the WH word. Why, when, where, how, which. Okay. So here, what we have to do is for. If you want to make it as a WH question, see, we have to use WH words before interrogative sentence and before interrogative plus negative sentence. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ interrogative ಮತ್ತು interrogative plus negative sentence before, I mean ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ what we have to use WH word ಇಲ್ಲಿ before these interrogative sentence and interrogative plus negative sentence we have to use WH words. See here, had I purchased a new car? Had I purchased a new car? Use WH word. Why had I purchased a new car? ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ WH ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ you make one WH question in past perfect tense ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will be confused to what to do. This is a positive. I had purchased sentence here because ನೋಡಿ subject. This is the formula. On the basis of this formula, you are going to make one meaningful sentence in past perfect tense. Okay? Subject, had, verb 3, object. This formula secret you can frame. You can write one meaningful sentence in past perfect tense. Subject, had, verb 3 plus object. Then this is a positive sentence, past perfect. Then if you want to make it as a negative, use not. Then if you want to make it as a interrogative, had I purchased a new car? Okay, you just replace it subject into helping verb and helping verb into subject. Then this one, negative plus interrogative. Had I not purchased a new car. Use NOT. ನೋಡಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್. had I not. NOT not ಅನ್ನು after subject ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. Okay, had I not purchased a new car. Then if you want to make it as a WH question ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ WH ವರ್ಡ್. ನೋಡಿ why had I purchased a new car. ನಾನೇಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, why had I purchased ನಾನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಲೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಯಾಕೆ why ಅದಕ್ಕೆ for this reason why had I purchased a new car. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಆವಾಗ ಖರೀದಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. So why had. Then if you want to make it as a negative plus interrogative WH question, why had I not purchased a new car. ನಾನೇಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. See, why had I not purchased a new car. Then so it is about WH question. Then next one is question tag. If you want to make it as a question tag, ಇದನ್ನ question tag ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I had purchased a new car. Okay, I had purchased a new car. If you want to make it as a negative, I mean WH question tag, question tag. The question tag ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ I had purchased a new car. I had purchased. I'll write question here. I had purchased a new car. Okay, this is positive sentence. If you want to make it as a question tag, that is very simple. Hadn't I. That is hadn't I. If it positive ಇದ್ದಾಗ, if it is a positive sentence, then we have to make it as a C. Not. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Hadn't I not ಬರಬೇಕು. I had, if it is negative, I had not purchased a new car. I had, this is a negative. Really negative idaga. See, had I had purchased a new car. Positive idaga. NOT will not bರ್ತದೆ. That is apostrophe. Okay, hadn't I, then I had not purchased a new car. That is had I. So it is about past perfect tense. Dear students, try to remember that that there is a difference between simple past tense as well as past perfect tense. Simple past tense which tells about any activity which was completed in the past. Okay, ಅದು ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿದಂತಹ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾದಂತಹ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾದಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದರ ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂತಕಾಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂತಕಾಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ verb 3 plus object. Okay, past perfect tense. I'll give one more example that I went to film theater. Simple past tense. Ready? I went to film theater. I went to film theater. ನೋಡಿ, I went to film theater. Simple past. ಸಾದಾ ಭೂತಕಾಲ. I went to film theater. Then, but the tickets had sold out. ನೋಡಿ past perfect. I went to film theater. ನಾನು film theater ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. You know, but the tickets had sold out. But the ticket had sold out. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್, ಮಾರಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು I purchased a new car. But what is that? ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ tense. This is a simple past and past perfect. Right, my dear students, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಓದೆ, ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ತಿಂದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, you can clearly understand in this sentence. I went to railway station. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ನಾನು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ had plus verb 3 plus object. Okay, it is about past perfect tense. Yes. Now let us, we are going to discuss about the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, this is past perfect tense. Now let us, we are going to discuss about past perfect continuous tense. What is the formula? You see, past perfect tense. Past, we studied about past perfect. Purna bhutakala. I had purchased a new car. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರನ್ನು, ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. I had purchased a new car. That is the past perfect. Now past perfect continuous tense. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೊಸ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ. ತಲೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲೇ. ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಬೀನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬೀನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ in past perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. What? That is being. Okay, subject plus had plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. I had been, okay, I had been purchasing a new car. I had been playing. See, subject in the place of subject. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. For all pronouns and nouns also. Okay, there is no change in the form of helping verb. There is only one helping verb, that is had been. Okay, had been, okay. I had been, we had been, you had been, he had been, she had been, it had been, they had been playing IPL. See, I had been playing IPL. ನಾನು IPL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ IPL in the past. Okay, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ. Once I joined IPL, I played IPL, and I had been playing IPL in a certain time. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ನಾನು ಆಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ರಾಹುಲ್ ದ್ರಾವಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಸಚಿನ್ ತೆಂಡೂಲ್ಕರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ IPL. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಸೆಹ್ವಾಗ್, ಸಚಿನ್ ತೆಂಡೂಲ್ಕರ್, now they are not playing. Rahul Dravid, okay, I had been, we had been playing IPL. You had been playing IPL. They had been, he had been, she had been, it had been, they had been playing IPL. ಅವರು IPL ಅನ್ನು ಆಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ perfect. This is about past perfect continuous tense. Then if you want to make it as a negative tense, okay, negative sentence ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ negative sentence, use not, I had not, use not, I had not been playing IPL. This is negative. I had, use not after had. Okay, I had not been playing IPL. Then interrogative sentence. Had replace. Okay, subject will be helping verb into subject. Had I been playing, had I been playing IPL? Question mark. Okay. Then next one is interrogative plus negative. Had I not been, use not after subject. Had I not been playing IPL? Yes. Had I not been playing IPL? WH question. Use WH words before interrogative sentence and interrogative plus negative sentence. WH word. Okay. Why had I been playing IPL? ನಾನೇಕೆ IPL ಅನ್ನು ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Why, see here, why had I not been playing? ನಾನೇಕೆ IPL ಅನ್ನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Why had I not been playing IPL? Then question tag. Okay, I had been playing IPL. Question tag. Hadn't I? I had been playing IPL. That is hadn't I? Then I had not, negative sentence. I had not been playing IPL. That is had I. Okay. So here students, it is about past perfect continuous tense. This action, okay, any activity which was going on, okay, in the past. ಮೇಲಿನ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ continuous tense. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, this present, this is a present continuous tense. After this class, okay, that is present perfect tense. ಇದು ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ after sometimes after 1 week, this is a past perfect continuous tense. That is, ನಾನು tenses ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. I had been discussing, I had been teaching about tenses. I had been teaching about tenses. So this is formula. Subject plus had plus be plus main verb plus ing plus object. Main verb, okay, play. That is play plus ing. Okay, my dear students, we have already studied about present tense as well as this is a past tense. In the next video, we are going to study about future tense. Thank you.